Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change Fahrenheit to Celsius on your Godrej AC remote. This simple adjustment allows you to view your air conditioner's temperature in your preferred unit. You won't need any special tools or complicated menus. Just a quick press of two buttons on your remote will do the trick. Let's get started with the easy steps to make this change. To begin, make sure your Godrej AC unit is powered off. Next, find the mode button and the temperature down button on your remote control. These are usually clearly labeled. Now, press and hold both of these buttons simultaneously for about 5 seconds. Keep them pressed until you see the temperature display on your remote switch from Fahrenheit to Celsius. It's that straightforward. If the temperature unit doesn't change on your first attempt, don't worry. Ensure you are pressing both the mode and temperature down buttons firmly and at the exact same time. Sometimes, holding them for a slightly longer duration, perhaps up to 10 seconds, can help. While this method works for most Godrej AC remotes, a few older models might have a small switch inside the battery compartment for this function. Check your manual if needed. Congratulations! You have now successfully changed your Godrej AC remote's temperature display from Fahrenheit to Celsius. This setting will remain as your default until you decide to change it back using the same method. Enjoy the comfort of your air conditioner with your preferred temperature unit. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals we've found for you. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.